Hey everyone! Welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a great About Us page for your Shopify store. A well-crafted About Us page builds trust, connects with customers, and strengthens your brand. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new page. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Go to Online Store Pages, Add Page. Title it About Us and start with a compelling introduction about your brand. Step 2. Tell your brand story. Explain how your business started, what inspired you, and what makes your brand unique. Use a personal and engaging tone to connect with your audience. Adding high-quality images or a short video about your journey can make the page more engaging. Step 3. Highlight your mission and values. Share your mission statement and core values. Let customers know what drives your business and how you aim to serve them. If you support a cause or follow sustainable practices, mention them here. Step 4. Add social proof and contact info. Include customer testimonials, press mentions, or notable partnerships to build credibility. Also, add links to your social media pages, email, and contact page so customers can easily connect with you. Step 6. Save and publish. Once you're happy with your About Us page, click Save and ensure it's linked in your store's navigation under Navigation main menu so visitors can easily find it. Outro, and that's it. You've successfully created a great About Us page for your Shopify store. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video.